special report reveals how to identify, understand, and effectively manage depression to restore your mental and emotional health and wellness, and your quality of life. According to the World Health Organization, 350 million people worldwide have some form of depression, and major depressive disorder is the #1 cause of disability in people ages 15 to 44. While women are more likely than men to have depression, as 1 in 8 U.S. women will develop clinical depression in their lifetime, the National Health Interview Survey found that 9% of U.S. men feel depressed or anxious daily. Unfortunately, the problem is much bigger than these sobering statistics indicate, because mental health professionals estimate that as many as 50% of people who have symptoms of depression never receive the help they need. Some may think they should just tough it out or get over it, but this only makes matters worse, because when depression is not properly treated, it can lead to serious physical, emotional, and mental health issues. Some of these include long-term sadness, lack of joy in living, insomnia or sleeping too much, low energy levels, low self-esteem, and even self-loathing. Chronic body aches and pains, cognitive problems, drug abuse, and loss of mental focus can arise with untreated depression. Significant weight gain or loss, failed relationships, and suicide are just some of the more serious complications of untreated depression. Depression is treatable, and information is power. Let our comprehensive report be your guide. When you claim your copy of this special, detailed, and comprehensive 41-page report, you will discover key risk factors for depression, the different types of depression, symptoms and diagnosis process and criteria, the differences of depression in men, women, and the elderly, depression conditions unique to women, recovery and treatment options, how limiting stress can boost your mood to beat and even prevent depression, how to choose the right doctor for diagnosis and treatment, effective natural and self-help home remedies, and much more. You deserve a better quality of life, one where your mind and spirit are tranquil, healthy, and happy. Depression is treatable. You can get better. Do not neglect this critical information a day longer. Get your copy today.